Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about tens and ones. So let us learn building numbers by using tens and ones. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here is the 9 dots are there. Okay. So here 9 ones. How many ones are there? 9 ones. And or plus. Here is the only one dot is there. So 1 1. So 9 ones and 1 1. It make 10 ones. So let us count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. 9 ones plus 1 1 is equal to 10 ones. Okay. So next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here is the 10 objects. 10 ones. It make 110. So group of 10 ones. It makes only 110. We call it 110. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 ones make 110. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. So 10 ones make 110. Okay. Next. So next. So here how many tens are there? Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay. So 10 ones are there. 10 ones means that is 110. So 110 and here is a one object. So 1 1. 110 plus 1 1 it make 11. It make 11. Okay. So next. Here how many tens are there? Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10. 110 and 1 2. So 2 ones. 110 and 2 ones make number 12. Means 12. Okay. Next. Here 110 and 3 ones. 1 2 3. How many ones are there? Here 3 ones are here. So here is a 110. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that is 10 ones make 110. So 110 and 3 ones make 13. So 110 and 3 ones make 13. Okay. Next. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 110 and 1 2 3 4. 4 ones. So 110 and 4 ones make 14. Okay. 10 plus 4. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14. So 110 and 4 ones make 14. Okay. So next. 110 and 5 ones. So here is a 110. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here is a 10 ones means 10 ones means 110. So 110 and 1 2 3 4 5. 5 ones. 110 and 5 ones make 15. 1 5 15. Okay. Next. Here 110 and 6 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 110 and 6 ones make 16. Make 16. So like this we have to practice the building numbers by using the tens and ones. Okay. So children, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.